January 1951 until November of 54. I was in Korea, and then when Korea went over, it was ended, we went into what we call French Indochina. It's now Vietnam. Obviously there was no war on at that time, but that didn't mean it wasn't dangerous. The teeth were falling out. I had a hard time eating. It hurt. My teeth hurt. Well, yeah, now I can eat any food I want, and I don't have, the pain that I had. Before, I couldn't chew any solid foods hardly. Or if I did, I had to only chew on like 2 teeth and swallowing big chunks of food instead of chewing it up. The doctors, the unbelievable doctors, how they treat you. And I feel like I'm with a bunch of friends when I come here. I've never once had an appointment that I didn't feel welcome, and I'm really grateful for everything they've done.